This is crazy. I'm about to close out this photography job that I'm doing, or that I pretty much just finished here in Beacon Hill area. And then randomly, bam, got another photography job lined up. And yes, I need a haircut, I know.
Wait a minute.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I think those guys over there are with Taskrabbit. You should sign up for Taskrabbit. Potentially. Alright, let's see. The name is so we're gonna call directly. You know what? We're gonna see if my Bluetooth set wants to work well right now. Gonna call her from my headset with my helmet on. This will be my first recording of using it. This might be them over there. Hey, it's Adam. What's up? How are you? On Stereo Drive. Okay. Are you in an Uber or Lyft, or are you driving? You're driving. Because I'm just wondering. So what are you thinking for like a backdrop as you guys continue to head here? I'm just like, are you thinking like you want like the concrete element of some of like the brownstones that they have here in the back bay? You thinking something with like the foliage in the background? Like what's okay. I think that's two seasonality, yeah. It could potentially be something with like a backdrop like this. It's good to let go of my camera. Hey. One of these ones you were thinking? This is crazy. I'm about to close out this photography job that I'm doing, or that I pretty much just finished here in Beacon Hill area. And then randomly, bam, got another photography job lined up. Look at all these photography jobs. Like, what is going on? I'm thinking maybe Taskrabbit, maybe it's something to do with me lowering my rate so much. Like, what? This is insane. I love it. I love it. So yeah, just finished up this photography job. Gotta say, just finished up. I don't know how well you guys were able to hear me, but I figured I'd make this quick little recording because I just finished up this job here in Beacon Hill area. Rode my baby today. Woo! Pretty, huh? But really random. The gentleman on the job randomly went to Wellesley High, which is where I went, and happened to have ran track with me, but was like a sophomore when I was a senior. So I didn't really like know him like that, but I kind of recognized him, and he's like looking at me, and then like, you know, we did the whole job. When I gave him my card, my business card, then he just kind of lost his ish. And he's like, Adam Spencer, like, who's up? Wait a minute. It's a small world is my point. So crazy. Yeah, so I think this was a good job. I mean, hopefully the photos came out good. Obviously, I can't say that it was a good job until I actually, you know, look at the photos and know that they came out good. From what I saw in the camera and based off of the experience, I would say it was a good job. It was a success, but I could be wrong. I could be mistaken. Hopefully the audio is coming in good. I sound solid. I'm only using the media mod. I'm not using any attached microphone or anything like that. So it might not sound so good. It might sound good. I don't know. But yeah, looking forward to my ride home. Upload this footage. Do very basic, you know, minor touch-ups. Nothing too hardcore. Nothing that should be too time consuming. Like I said, it's a beautiful day out. So I'm gonna enjoy this ride back home on Nikki my ninja. If you guys haven't met her yet, I made a video on my my Ace Spencer channel, giving you guys a nice view of Nikki at the beach. Gotta check it out. And yes, I need a haircut, I know.
Wait a minute.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I didn't shave. Haircut, I gotta shave. That's what I mean to say. I don't even know if does that work? Can I say I need a haircut when my hair is like this? You get my point. I need a haircut. All right, let's keep it moving. Enjoy a nice little ride. I think those guys over there are with Taskrabbit. I could be mistaken. I'm curious. Let's find out. Let's ask. You guys doing work through Taskrabbit? Am I right? You get hired through Taskrabbit?
No, we're hired through U-Haul.
U-Haul?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are signed up on their the thing, like if someone rents out a truck, they're like, you need a mover?
Yeah.
Is that through like a company or like
U-Haul.
But like, do you sign up as individuals on there through U-Haul?
No, you sign up through a company, right? So we have a company called Benedict Helpers, and then whenever someone like rents out a U-Haul, they'll have the option like, would you like some movers? And then they have a list of like the top.
But like the company's the one that's listed with them. Like when you sign up with U-Haul, it's not like you as an individual.
No,
you like register your company and then the company.
And then they hire the company.
Tell them the name of the company.
Benedict Helpers.
You guys get a lot of work through that?
Yeah.
Every week.
Really? 'Cause you should sign up for Taskrabbit.
Taskrabbit?
Yeah. Because I do moving. That's how the job I just did right now was photography. Yeah. But I do moving jobs and stuff.
And
like
you do photography through Taskrabbit?
On Taskrabbit, you can get hired for anything.
Oh, wow.
So like moving jobs my regular thing. Like that's the main thing I get hired for. But like I just literally right now as I finish up this job, someone booked me for another photography job. Taskrabbit, Taskrabbit.
Types of like jobs, right?
Random different things. So moving, yard work.
Sounds like us.
Huh?
We have something in mind that sounds similar.
Like we have an idea of like, to like hire people for like anything.
Any service, kind of like
It already exists, Taskrabbit. Yeah, let me see if I have any cards left. Because when I be giving cards out, people be like, you do all these things? And I'm like, yeah. They're like, how do you like market? I'm like, Taskrabbit. Like I look at Taskrabbit as like a marketing platform for my business. So like my moving business, my brand is Adam Helper, it's called. Adam Helper. So if someone books me, I got other, just like it's the two of you guys.
You should try and get connected with U-Haul. You'll see it on I think one of their like services page. You can sign up as like one of the movers. So in that way, like.
Thank you.